Panasonic DP-UB820K4 K Ultra HD Blu-ray Player Review and Setup Guide. Best 4K Blu-ray Player. If you want the best picture and sound from your 4K Blu-ray collection, the Panasonic DP-UB820K is one of the most capable players to consider. But is it worth paying more for a premium 4K Blu-ray player? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The DP-UB820K is designed for home theater enthusiasts who want high-quality 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray playback. One of its biggest strengths is Panasonic's HCX processing and HDR optimizer, which help manage HDR content and preserve detail across bright and dark scenes. It supports major HDR formats including HDR10, HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and HLG. That flexibility is especially useful if you have a compatible 4K TV or projector. The player also supports 4K upscaling for standard Blu-rays and includes advanced color processing for improved image quality. On the audio side, it supports formats such as Dolby Atmos and DTS:X, making it a strong choice for surround sound home theater systems. Connectivity is another major advantage. You get two HDMI outputs, which can be useful when you want to send video directly to a TV or projector, while routing audio separately through an AV receiver. There's also Ethernet, built-in Wi-Fi, USB playback, and support for high-resolution audio. Setup is straightforward. Connect the appropriate HDMI output to your display, connect the audio HDMI output if needed, configure your network, and adjust the HDR settings for your TV or projector. The main drawback is that the UB820 is expensive compared with basic 4K Blu-ray players. Its smart streaming features also aren't the main attraction. So if you primarily watch Netflix, YouTube, or other streaming services, a dedicated streaming device may be more convenient. Overall, the Panasonic DP-UB820K makes the most sense for serious movie fans who want excellent 4K disc playback, flexible HDR support, and strong home theater connectivity. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you think about the Panasonic UB820.